Hi everybody, Ellen Canner here, and so is a head of kale. Today's video involves stripping and a massage. Again, my guest star is kale. I'm going to show you how and why to do a massaged kale salad. First, as you see, we have lovely, roughly organic kale, which has very thick stems. They're lovely, but they're not going to be useful here. So I like to strip the leaves. I know some people like to slice them off. I think they come off very easily, so why not? You're going to have to be hands-on anyway. So I'm going to strip the stems. So here's all our stems, which I am going to put into my bag of vegetables for making broth with, or you can compost them. And you see we are still left with a mountain of kale. And you can see why people like the idea of kale but are overwhelmed by it. We got to tame this kale. The first thing we have to do is get this into a more manageable size. If you like to chop, you can chop. I find a food processor great for this. You might need a couple goes to do it. Let it chew its kale so it will be easier for you to chew. Maybe give it a couple pulses. Think that's pretty good. And now we're going to work our way through it. So this is about half the bunch of leaves we started with. Processed in the food processor. You can already see they are a brighter green and nice and fluffy. They are not nearly as daunting as they were a couple minutes ago when we started. And now we're going to tenderized kale. As you would if you were getting or giving a massage, it involves a little oil, little olive oil, just enough on your hands, and work it into the leaves. Oh, Potcake has gotten some kale too. He's not sure if he likes it, but maybe he would if it was massaged. I like to add a squeeze of lemon juice and a little salt. Not only does this add flavor, altogether it helps break down the kale's tough cell walls. It's already very moist and pliable in my hand, and it's got some nice gloss. Not just from the oil and the lemon, but because the kale juices are coming out. And this is a lot more manageable than we started, and it's just delicious on its own. You could enjoy this right now like it is, maybe squeeze in a little more lemon juice, or smush in an avocado, or dress it with your favorite dressing. But just so happens I have these lovely roasted vegetables. So now that kale is nice and tender, it likes to play well with others. So why not? I've got some, oh, it just looks pretty too. Zucchini, carrot, purple onion, and tofu. And look how nice that is. This was nothing, people. This was taming kale in less than 5 minutes. Because, you know, we could all use a good massage. Till next time, everyone. This is Ellen Canner. Thanks. Bye-bye.